Good evening, dear traders. Welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. You are watching the weekly Linkup. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Petr Vikimovic will give us his expert advice. Speaking about the euro-dollar pair, everyone had an opportunity to earn, both buyers and sellers. In the first half of the week, traders opened long positions on the euro-dollar pair amid growing expectations that the ECB could change monetary policy in the short term. On the other hand, investors cheat policy decisions of the Federal Open Market Committee on Wednesday. As a result, the most popular currency pair declined to 1.1880. Now sellers are locking in profits, closing their deals. So the euro versus American dollar pair is rebounding to the levels it was opening this trading week. Hi Petr, from your viewpoint, are there any reason for similar high volatility on the Forex next week?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the euro versus US dollar. The reason is I found a breakout of the upward trend line. Strong upward trend line, and basically according to the weekly time frame the price did break that upward trend line. Anyway, there is a trading range at the moment, and the price trading for a whole month between the 1.1820, which is acting like support, and the 1.2090, which acting like resistance. I give more chance the price to break the support of this trading range. So watch for a breakout of 1.1820 to confirm for the lower prices. But anyway, the price breaks a resistance of this trading range, 1.2090, then watch for buying opportunities. Stochastic oscillator also showing us that there is overbought conditions. But anyway, watch for a breakout of 1.1820 and take profit levels. Take profit level for the downward breakout is 1.1420. In case the price breaks the resistance of this trading range, then the take profit level will be set at 1.2250. Again, watch for selling opportunities if the price breaks 1.1820.
Do you expect the pound-dollar pair to show a predictable dynamic?
I'm expecting a lower price on the British pound versus US dollar. What happened here, according to the weekly time frame, I found a big climatic action. There is a strong widespread of the bar on the very strong close, and that was a week ago, and that was a strong bullish momentum. Anyway, the very next week on this very next candle, the weekly time frame actually confirmed there is no real buyers at the moment, and actually the sellers started to distribute some positions from the buyers, and basically the sellers right now are trying to take control over the buyers, and that's why we got a shooting star. The very next bar after this strong bullish bar is a shooting star, or the bearish candle, which is a sign of potential weakness. And my advice is basically to watch for selling opportunities due to this weakness, and watch for selling opportunities below 1.3450, which can be a trigger for the selling opportunities. The stochastic oscillator looking overbought. And the take profit levels on the British pound versus US dollar are set the price 1.3320, 1.3215, and 1.3115. These are all targets based on Fibonacci work. Again, watch for selling opportunities below 1.3450.
In our Linkup, we should not neglect mounting international discord around North Korea. Experts note investors are again displaying risk-aversion sentiment. Petr, could you please clear up technical indicators? Does it make sense to buy the Japanese yen?
I'm expecting upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. The things that I mentioned in my previous analysis on this currency pair is that this currency pair got a fake breakout of strong support cluster. There is also breakout of the supply trend line at the same time, and price is some kind of trading. The USD Japanese yen trading inside the trading range. There is still space for the higher prices on this currency pair. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities and take profit level set to the price 140.50 and 115.50. Which are all based on the previous price action and the resistance of this trading range. So watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
The Australian versus American dollar pair broke out of a trading range. Do you think the currency pair is trading in a steady downward trend?
I'm expecting lower price on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. According to the weekly time frame, I basically found a broken upward trend line, and this was about a month and a half upward trend line which held successfully. And most recently, this upward trend line got broken. So buyers actually lost the power, sellers took the momentum, and my advice was absolutely for selling opportunities. The first target set at the price of 0.7810, and the second take profit level set the price of 0.7750.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. This edition has been presented by me, Takhmina Salomova, and technical analyst Peter Rikimovich. Trade at profit with ИнстаФорекс. See you next week.